Good girl.
It's pretty cool.
We're going to leave these toys here at Grandma's place, okay? So when you come visit, they'll be here for you to play with.
Oh, yes?
Yep, your coloring books and crayons.
I'm here.
Yep, we're going to leave them here.
This doggy's got blue eyes.
Grandma's going to take good care of them.
Hi.
You want to help me color him? What's up? You want to color this page? Oh, those are crayons?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You have to press hard. They're not like the nice...
You have real hard.
Press real hard. All right.
See?
I'm coloring the doggy's ear. So are you.
He got nose.
His nose ring.
Hey, no purple. Because
Best way to take pictures is if they don't
orange
know.
is a blue.
Where's his paws?
Pictures.
Yeah.
Ah!
I took one outside and he looked at the camera and said,
What'd you do?
"Here, I'll show you." I
What'd you
showed
do
him the
to me?
picture.
I'm going to
It
color
was okay
his
now.
tongue red. He's sticking his tongue out at you.
Ah!
Got it. I got it.
That's a guess.
You're going to color that?
You too?
What color? What do you want me to color?
This.
The dog?
This guy.
This guy?
That guy.
The doggy has fat cheeks.
Give me.
Black?
Hey, Danny.
Wow.
What? Why don't you ask Grandma and ask her how that makes her feel?
Yeah. That makes you rich, yeah? What is?
Who did that one? Benny?
No.
What? I bet it was.
A costume. A costume.
He got it. Look at that. What's he in? He's in his water dish. He's taking a bath in his water dish.
Why?
I guess he got hot and wanted to cool off.
This is doors.
Okay.
This is mine. Hey. Oh, let me with that.
What did he say? Oh, I make him sad? Did he say that? I made you sad? Oh.
You got my puppy.
Hey.
Look this.
That's a silly one.
It's Doshi. Look. He go. He go here. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Doshi.
Really?
Hey, Doshi.
Little rat claws and
Maybe this that.
See, I didn't know all these were crayons. We need to put them in the other bag then. Huh.
Why?
You want a green? What's your favorite color?
Hey, why he go here? Why he go here?
What color?
Grandma asked you what your favorite color is, Benny.
It's a horsey.
What's your favorite color?
It's a horsey.
Is it green or purple or orange? Blue?
Yellow.
Where?
There's yellow.
Good for little hands, but they don't color well. What do you think, Carol?